Can y'all feel me? Lord, hallelujah. Hallelujah. It's Friday. Can I get an amen? Can I get a witness? Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. If you're here with me in the YouTube Discord or Kicker X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us. It's morning. There we go. We have Rips by Denver Cup, Paul Yunes, Ray Williams, Sweet Tea for me, Marcuso, Kevin Woolley, Timmer, Shawnee McFawney, Elijah TJP, Sweet Tea for me, KDX Ryder, Luke, happy birthday to you, Luke. Jay Prowse, Yaz, Mike, Chris, Bear Goes Long, Sovereign Pulse, TW Mahdi, Cyrus, Hockey Shane. Good morning to you, Vibe Trade, Jenick J. Loosh. Day Trader Rick, K. John, Ruth K, Chris Burney, Mark Lark, NLV Jedi Trader, Ribs by Day Trader Rick, KDR, Davey Trades, Blaze, good morning, McCrushing, Bassetanger, Basti Hattender, Future Zone, Dragon Knee, good morning, Brer Ire, Rabbit Capital. Look at this push up. Wow. What a move. We got a lot to talk about today. What's up, Big Hal? Original Jeff, Pashon, Cam Dingo, Medi, Fridge, Billy Joe, Navy Guy, Debs Trade, Dragging Knee, Future Zone. Good morning. How are you? I don't think we're going to get any of this news that was supposed to come out today. Morning, Paul Trades. Loricella, good morning. What's up, Go Hard Greg, Poppy Sack, Bearded Banshee, Gunslinger. So this morning, what's up, iWig Out? This morning, I logged into my Tradeify accounts, and I saw that. No account. I just took a payout yesterday. I said, what's going on? What is happening? I don't have any of my funded accounts here. Looks like a lot of you folks in Kick already know what the deal is. That's right. They're moving me to a live account. It is time. So, I'm getting moved to a Ninja Trader live account. That'll be interesting. I've never had a Tradeivate live account. I've never traded in Tradeivate in a live environment. I'm going to be having 5 live accounts. I think I have $6,500 per account. Right? So 6,500 times 5, I have 32,500 to trade with. Maybe, just maybe, we can run it up. Can't they just merge those to one account though? I mean, maybe. I don't know. In a live account, is it daily payouts? I don't even know. I don't even know. 2 million by March. I mean, you know, I did it with a 100K account. What could I do with a 32K account? It's daily payouts? You're kidding me. Whoa. Yo, really? Daily payouts in Tradeify Live? Are you serious? You're lying. Are you serious? Tradeify is daily payouts in live? You're lying. You can take one per day. What the? Brother. Woo. Yeah. That sounds amazing. That sounds amazing. I wig out. I missed your message. Says, I'll have a 50K TPT Pro account Monday morning, and while on my way to 2, the Futures Desk account as well. Trading is coming around for me finally after 5 years. So glad I discovered ribs. My man. Give it up for I wig out on a Friday, baby. So that's my Tradeify screen. That's alpha funded. I haven't traded those. Hold on, I gotta make this bigger. That's what she said. I don't know what this is. Funded next. Haven't traded those. Oh, and then there's some pro accounts from Lucid that I'm taking a payout from tonight. Or I could delay and just wait until Monday. We could do a little payout on Monday. I don't know though. We'll see. And then TPT. Bang, 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 bang. We're cruising today. So I don't know if I want to trade my TPTs today. Don't have Tradeifys to trade. Maybe we trade the alpha funded account or the funded next account. I think there's a glitch. Wait, what do you mean? What's the glitch? What glitch? Oh, it's Lido. Never mind. I haven't seen that guy be serious since 1993. Just kidding. They did that to me too. I don't understand why they're offering the daily payout option and then putting live after 5 payouts. I've taken 5 payouts and growth and took 1 daily payout, put me in live. Second one is a daily payout. I'm not sure about live. Huh. Your house is gone. Well, good news for you. It's $4 to get a new one. And unless you were a Bitcoin investor, I think you can swing the $4 price for a house, my friend. What happened to your TPT accounts? Nothing. Oh, I'm still waiting for the... Yeah, I know what you mean. I'm still waiting for the resolution. Still waiting. Patiently waiting, baby. What happened? I'm waiting? Oh, goodness. Who joined the Globex stream last night? I had a great time with you folks in Globex. And if you're missing the Globex streams, there won't be one tonight because there is no Globex on a Friday. But if you're missing my Globex streams, I don't know what's wrong with you. You're missing out, baby. It was fun last night. We even called out the bounce that was coming. Way down here. Remember that? Wee. This thing went ballistic. By the way, you London traders had it so good last night. Look at this. You London traders, how dare you have it so good? 385 points for you London traders. What the French toast? That's insane. Speaking of insane, we are seeing a rally here in the NQ. I just don't know what to trade it with, man. Funded next, maybe? I have the 50K Rapids or what? I don't even know. There's so many accounts. Can't keep track of all of them. What are these? Futures Rapid Challenge 50K. I have 2 of those bad doggers. Futures Rapid 50K. So I can pass these with another $1,300. I have to make $1,300. How many contracts can I trade in these things? Am I taking a Lucid payout on stream? I can't until the end of day, so I'm probably going to wait until Monday, or I could just make a video on it. I think I'll probably wait until Monday for you guys. What are the rules? What are the rules in this thing? How much can I take? The hell how many? I guess, here, let me go to start challenge and I can read about it. Futures, rapid, 50K. How many contracts? 3 minis. Ugh. God, it's so small. Oh, good Lord. 3 minis, I gotta make 15K. I didn't place a single trade in 3 weeks. Gonna trade sim today and warm up for a challenge. I'm starting next week to fund it next. 1 micro to 10K payout. Nice, man. Let's go. Do we just buy this? No, definitely not. You gotta chill, baby. You gotta chill. Rips, do you find it easier to read flow during Globex or regular hours? I mean, it's the same to me, but when there's no flow in Globex, I can't, there's no MGI for me. So 2 Globexes ago, when we tried to do a Globex stream, I didn't take a single trade and I threw my hands up in the air. And I was like, yeah, this ain't it. I hate this. I don't know if you watched that Globex stream, but that was entertaining. There was no MGI whatsoever. Ribsy, how do I unlock your emojis? You have to either beg for a house like Lido does, because he doesn't want to swing the $4 fee, or you have to click the little subscribe button for $4 to get access to those emojis on Kick. But, you know, a lot of people are like, they want to whine like a bitch like Lido. So you can try that approach. He'll get a house probably in like 6 weeks from now, because people will be like, man, well, this guy just shut the fuck up. But yeah, begging works from time to time. MGI is market generated information. So when Globex is really low volume, like yesterday I was struggling on the onset of Globex before we had volume coming in. You remember me, I was like shouting at the market. I was like, if we just break these 60s, it'll do some. But we finally got some volume in the market, and then it finally started doing some things, and we ended up navigating it quite right. It was lovely. I enjoyed it. More Rips, how was your trade day meeting, or do we have your stamp for them? Well, I'm doing the sign up process right now, and I'm waiting. Once I get signed up, then I'm going to start trading them on stream, and then you'll have my official review of them as I trade them on stream. But from the conversation that I had with Trade Day, it seems like it's really nice. The only downside compared to TPT that I'm seeing so far is that they only allow you to have 3 funded accounts, Trade Day. TPT allows you to have 5 funded accounts. So, you know. Trade Day also 5K account cap, 5K profit cap on each account. But there is no trailing drawdown, right? There is no trailing drawdown in the funded stage, right? In TPT Pros, you have to get through the trailing drawdown first, which for me has not been an issue. I've done it back-to-back times now, baby. We went back-to-back. So no intraday trailing drawdown like you have in TPT Pro. When you go to TPT Pro Plus, obviously no more trailing drawdown, but for me, in those 50K accounts, I got out of that trailing drawdown fairly easy. I didn't have any issues with it, and I've done it twice now. So, Rips, the banner needs to be updated. Apex is not 90% off anymore, is it? Let me fix that for you. Thank you for calling that out. Apex is now 50% off. Oh, look at that. Oh, we made it in there now. Bang. We're in there, baby, like swimwear. Trade Day website looks kitsch as fuck. What does kitsch mean? What does kitsch mean? Poor? I don't know about you guys, but as long as I have a green button that says buy, a red button that says sell, and a quantity that lets me type in a number, I don't give a fuck what the Tradeify or Trade Day or whatever website looks like. Who gives a shit? Last time I checked, I'm not really like in there being like, man, I hate this company that pays me these trading payouts because their website's ugly. I don't care. As long as their dashboard works and it's informative. Like I said, I have not, I don't have an account yet, so. Whatever, dude. Any impacting news today? Not really, Nico, but 10 a.m. Sing it, sister. We were going to have the non-farm. The non-farm today, but instead of that, we're going to have to wait until 10 and get the University of Michigan sentiment. Dude, NASDAQ is cracking off, Playboy. Maybe we do try to hit this in tres contracts. Ribs, what do you think of Apex Wild Charts? Because you got a 300K account. I have 20 250 KPAs, baby. So I had a call with Wealth Charts. I totally understand how to use their new platform and thing. And also, they're going to be working on some new little tricklets that might be coming out in 3 weeks. So I'm debating on whether or not I want to touch those now or wait for 3 weeks. I do not know, champions. I do not know. Holy smokes, what are they doing over here? What are you guys doing in this NASDAQ? There was somebody just algorithmically trying to get out of a short there. I just saw that on the tape. What was that? Why? Why are you panicking, brother? So 10 a.m. 10 a.m. we'll check it out. We also have a bonus hunt today, $1,500 bonus hunt. These bonus hunts are really just, they're pooping in my Cheerios, man. I'm going to do a $2.50 cap today in the bonus hunt, I think. Because $2 just was trash yesterday. Edio says, I've officially had my PAs for the longest I've ever had fun. The Apex rules got me trading. Different being patient and shit. Nice. Good morning. Just got a 2-hour long on MNQ. Good start of the morning. Give it up for Trader Moose. What sound does a moose make, by the way? I don't know that I've ever heard a moose in the wild. What sound does a moose make? I'm curious. What if you were like in the wild and you saw a moose? And it was just like, I'm a moose. I'd be like, wow, that's kind of what I thought it was in my mind. Hello, I'm a moose. I'd be like, yeah, that's how I imagined it. That's crazy. For real, I would be like, yo, that's how I imagined it. I've never heard a moose in the wild, though. Do you think they'd greet you with politeness? Hello, I'm a moose. I don't know. I'm not sure. NASDAQ is up 1.7% today. Holy smokes. Bitcoin bounced off 60,000. I want to see Bitcoin, actually. What's the Bitcoin chart looking like? Hold on. Somebody sent me like a larger Bitcoin chart. I was going to show it on this little small screen over here, but somebody had sent me a larger Bitcoin chart. And it has a lot more technical analysis in it. I kind of wanted to look at this one. Are you guys down to look at a Bitcoin chart that has a lot more technical analysis in it? Are you guys okay if we take some time and we look at this Bitcoin chart? It has a lot more technical analysis in it. Let me see here if I can bring this up. I don't know if I have a big enough screen to bring this up because it's just, there's so many technicals in this chart. Hold on one second here. Let me bring this up here. Okay. This is the technical analysis chart of Bitcoin right now. I kind of see what they're talking about in this chart here. This, of course, is the Bitcoin Maxi chart. My goodness. It does look like a head, but no shoulders. It's a little bit complicated, yeah. I could see that. A little bit complicated. Huh. Interesting. I don't know how to read that, but hey, there it is. We are still pushing up in the NASDAQ right here, baby. I kind of want to see if we can get a little flat top breakout cooking in here. Maybe a little flat top briggity breakout, you know? You see how we're like pushing at that 45 level? We are seeing some bids underneath. Let's see if we can pepper in a little some, you know? Pepper in a little something sweet. For a little bit of a flat top breakout here. Pull back to 35 would be nice, but we might just have to wait. Let's see. If we get that pullback right there to 35, watching. There's that pullback, 35. I'm tagging that. And then a reclaim of 40 and we go for it. A little pop over 40 here. See if we can get that little bit of a pop. This is in, what are these? Funded next. Looking for that repop back over that 40 here. Because we're at the midpoint of this volume shelf. So if we get that little up and over at 40. Watch here. Up and over at 40 now. See if we get it. If we don't get it, we stop out right there at 30. And then I retry it. I take it again. I want to see, oh, yeah, that stopped out immediately. Wow. I want to see if we can get this as a retracement, possibly. Watching here. Find one little bidder to set us back to the north side here. One little bidder here. Okay, there's my open. Back at those 20s. I'm trying one more long here. This is the song I was looking for. Because we're right back at that point of control. If we get this holding above this volume shelf that is right there at the 10s, we have 68.56 holding this up in the S&Ps as well. Okay, let's see. If these 20s hold, we should get this little pop. This should be that curl up. Because we just exchanged at 8.56 in the S&Ps here. So let's wait and see. A little pop over these 20s should carry us home. All the way to the promised land. Let's see. Creeping. Big bidder there just underneath those 20s. Let's see if we can walk it home. Try to hold this thing right here around these 20s. Stop is underneath 10s. I like this attempt. I like this look. Little sideways here, little sideways. S&Ps are looking a little bit bullish here. If we can swipe at that 68.60 player, I think we should be able to extend this much higher. We have that liquidity above us at the 30s here. See if we can eat into that and start blasting off here. 68.60 is the line in the sand here. For the S&Ps, just had a liquidity shift there in the book. Watching. Trying to reclaim these 20s now. See if we get that up and over at the 30s. 68.60 is that line in the sand. Watch us go into this liquidity without possibly exchanging that 68.60 player. 68.60 evens in the S&Ps. Show me that potato salad. I do like this consolidation as long as we hold above the 10s. Looking for this to extend back up and over these 20s here. This is my Funded Next challenge account. Funded Next challenge account here. Bottom of the hour coming in about 30 seconds, less than 30 seconds here. Consolidation just around these 20s. Can you roll me down the river, baby? We just have to get that exchange up there at 68.60 in the S&Ps. That's the one I'm looking for. There's the bottom of the hour. Let's see if they give us the lift here. Canada jobs are out. See if that sways things at all. We should be able to get this walk into those 30s. There we go. Pop me up, baby girl, show me all the way. Give me all the goods back up to 40. Popping up like a boner in my pants. Popping up like a boner in my pants right now. Show me all that juice to the sky, baby girl. All right, there we go. That's one of my favorite songs for going long, by the way. One of my favorite songs for going long. If anybody tells you reading order flow is nonsense, you show them that clip. If anybody tells you reading order flow is nonsense, you say, I disagree. That is in our Funded Next challenge account. We only got to make 700 more to pass. My goodness. How about that? Your voice is like a Fergie and an angel out of me. Oh, you guys are funny. Made $28.90 on that pop with TPT Pro, 50K. Thank you, sir. Now over the buffer. Go, K June. Let's go, baby. Beautiful. Love to see. I think I've earned the right to have a Red Bull now. Oh, that's delicious. Now, you don't have to join me on those types of trades, but when it's breaking into those 30s, you can jump on that momentum. I just wanted it in that consolidation first. I was a little bit early, but I don't mind. All right. Had to take my jacket off. It's getting toasty in here. Starting to get warm. Is the spring actually springing? Is it sprunging? Have I tried the apricot flavor? I don't think so. Just the watermelon. Actually, I have blues in here too. The blue ones. I have not tried the apricot flavor. How many contracts you trade usually? It depends. It depends. It really just depends. Quick 30 points for the boy. That was sick. Let's go, baby. Amazing. It's crazy that we don't got this Red Bull in Austria. Really? Do you guys have Celsius? Schmelsius? Caught the long pull back to 830. Beauty, beauty, beauty. We are in about a 20-30 handle range here. We're going to dance for a little bit, so we want to just let this, I want to let this motion develop a little bit and see if we can get an opportunity for round two. I see you folks are tagging this right now, which is nice. I want to see if we get a little bit of flavor from these equities. In the interim, who's down for a Channel Gambles points over on Kicksters? Let's do it. Let's do one right now for 906. We're going to give you guys ample time to get this one. Ten minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. 10 minutes, baby. Love the energy this morning, my guy. Happy Friday. Happy Friday to you, Michael. Let's go, baby. I don't know what's going on with Funded Next. Yo, Mac D, thank you for the 5 gifted. I appreciate you, baby. That is 5 gifted subs from Mac D. What a ledge you are, baby. What a freaking ledge. Look at you go. What a freaking ledge. Quintessential question, Rips. I've taken payouts before, but right now I'm up 5K in my 50K XFA. Do I keep building a buffer or grow the account, or do I take half of my balance? I'm not a newbie, but I do struggle with emotions. The fact that you're even asking me tells me everything I need to know to answer that question. Stop being a bitch. Double down. Don't ever take a payout. Fucking push it all the way to 0. No, take a payout. 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 Get paid for your work, brother. Here's the thing about the markets. Even if you have the best setup in the world, you could have a minimal amount of contracts on, and homeboy Trumpskis comes out with a bit of a tweet and he's like, tremendous. That's a horrible Trump voice. Not as good as SW, but there goes your account, there goes all your hard work, and it's out of our control. We don't know when the man's gonna tweet. Pam Bondi does, but we don't. We don't have the Pam Bondi indicator on our charts, unfortunately. So I would say take out that payout, baby. Yo, RJD2 with the 5 gifted. Hello. How you doing, Playboy? That is delicious. Thank you. What a freaking legend. RJD2 here with the 5 gifted. Unbelievable. You can always buy another act. Well, if you're watching a play, sometimes you only get 4 acts. Do you mess with Top Step, or have you moved on? I traded Top Step for 2 years. I will always recommend Top Step because I think they are a fantastic firm to trade on. But I tell you what, I haven't traded on Top Step in, well, I closed my live account last January, I believe. My last time that I traded on Top Step was January. Holy shit. Speaking of Trump tweets, hello, just as I was talking about it. Looks like somebody slipped and fucking hit their balls on something. Look at that. They got the old red balls in here. Oops, that was a banana peel. My balls, they're red. Oh no. Rips, I'm glad you're doing Globex. I need that energy. I got you, baby. We got all the energy. If you're long, you just got fucked. Amen, brother. I mean, dude, and there's no reason why that doesn't look like a good long, you know what I mean? Like, you're like, okay, I'm gonna pick up this little support here. This looks like a nice little pitch and catch. Maybe we take this thing all the way. Ah! And then you just lost your account. I guarantee you there's somebody that just got fucked on that. And not in the good way. Not in the good way. I'm not talking about the sensual, sweet, soft kisses. I'm talking about sandpaper, the grit, no lube, no kisses. Bam! Ah! It stings! What are you wearing? That kind. You know what I mean? Wow, came down to hit my buy order, buy the tick, made 12 and a pass. Let's go, TJP. Y'all need to get better at taking your payout. Amen, brother. You said it. You said it. You're doing Globex streams? Oh yeah, you know it, King Daniel. I do it for the people. I love doing the Globex streams. Gets me time to meet other people from other countries that are all on their own journeys in trading. It's very cool. I enjoy it a lot. Last night we had a nice pep talk. I talked to everybody about, you know, how they should be looking at their trading and what the plan is next week and how we're going to have some people committing to journaling. It was fantastic. What time does your Globex stream start? It starts at 6 p.m. Eastern. And it went for 2 hours last night. It was fun. It went for 2 hours and then I did a hot tub stream on Kick. But that was only available to my OnlyFans subscribers, unfortunately. Came in late and had to rewatch it. What'd you think, No Bad Days? Did you enjoy it? Is that Mr. Marvin with 5 gifted subs? Holy smokes. What in the world? What a fucking Friday it is. Look at you guys going gift crazy over here. Unbelievable. What time is the OnlyFans stream? 69 o'clock. Sometimes I run it at 4:20 a.m., but 69 o'clock usually. Amen. Wow. Look at that, Sinu. My God, I almost choked on my Red Bull. Sinu with 5 gifted. What in the world's going on? This is insane. Sinu with the 5 gifted. You guys are unreal. Unbelievable. Look at that. Danielle even got a house. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. What's up, my mute B? Gold going to 5K are going to struggle at the double top now. Any thought? Let's see. Let's have a look, huh? Let's have a gander, Xander. Okay. Ooh, I see what you're talking about. That to me looks like it could be conflated with a bit of spice. Well, I'll tell you what. We're going to have a lot of stops that are placed right here. And if we start to blow those out, let's see where that is, actually. Start to blow those bad doggers out. Yeah, 49.62. We're right there. So there's going to be a lot of people that are covering into that area. A lot of longs that are covering into that area. So we're going to have to wait and see. Let's watch it on Bookmap and see what happens. Wow, Cashies found it in his heart to gift Lido a sub. God bless. Chauncey says, it was great. I was taking an ES trade and you were calling out NQ, but the numbers were aligning. LOL. Breaking the 80s, going for 70s. You are the Chris Berman of trading. Look at him. Yeah, that's funny. Oh, man. Chris Berman was a goat. Is he still around? There's no way, right? There's no way. That was such a long time ago. Talk about Top Step more? What do you want to know? I haven't traded on them for a very long time, so I'm probably the wrong person to ask, but I do think they are a top firm to trade on. They've been around for so long. What a Friday. 2 trades and in the green. Give it up for Josh. Let's go. Louis Lau says, Rips, how you manage each TP and stop loss when you add to a position? How do you open OCO orders and trade debate when you add to a position? If not, you have multiple TP and SL. I don't use OCO orders. I click on my chart like this. Like, where's the thing? Like that. Bang, bang, bang. Like that. That's how I do it. I click. That's it. I'm a clicker. You know what I mean? I'm just a clicker. On TradingView, there's this thing called smart bracketing. And on my call with Wealth Charts yesterday, I talked about how TradingView handles it, how Project X handles it. Gringo El Diablo. Holy smokes. That is 10 gifted. Hold the phone. Wait, hold on. Why is this not working? Give me a second here. I don't know why that's not working. What in the world? Hold on. It's broken. Hold on. Dude, where is it? Oh, I see. Hold on. It was just not in the right spot. There it is. 10 gifted. Oh my God, there it goes. He was testing the waters to see if there was a 10 gifted one. There it is. I don't know why that wasn't copied over. That's weird. Oh my God, unbelievable. Nice work there, Gringo. That is too funny. Amazing. Absolutely fantastic and amazing. Look at that. Gold is pulling back as we are hitting that double top now. Kelly Kaufman says, good morning, Rips. How are you, brother? I'm doing well, thank you. How are you doing, Kelly? Are you having a fantastic Friday? A good start to your Friday? We did take a single trade together, and we did okay. I got a little bit early to it, but then we had a nice secondary follow-up. We actually took 2 trades. It was a 2-parter. Josh says, I'm restricted from trading gold, sadly, but I'll use NQ to pass this combine. You know, gold is, if you're not a metals trader at your core, it's okay. NQ moves so much. Kelly says, doing great, bro. Really enjoyed the Globex session last night. Well, thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Hi, Ribs. Good morning. The 50K Lightning account is the most balanced option to buy. I use the 150K Lightning funded accounts, and if you missed the top of the show, I actually got moved to live. I got moved to live with Tradeify. I don't know how long my transition will take, but it could be up to 2 weeks. I don't know. We'll see. I'm getting moved to a live account, which I believe will have $32,000 in it or something, $32,500. Because my Tradeify Lightning funded accounts, I took a payout on them live on air yesterday morning, and those accounts have about $6,000, $6,500 profit in each one. So I do believe that I'm getting 5 live accounts with $6,500 in each one. And I can take daily payouts, which is insane. Friend Rips, question. I made today 700 in London session with 4 MNQs. First day with my funded Apex account. Should I trade New York session 2 or end it today? You're going to stop trading right now. You're going to go into the weekend feeling really good about your choice to stop trading. I don't care if the NQ moves 25,000 points today. You're going to feel good going into the weekend, and you're going to bring that energy into Sunday's Globex stream or Monday's morning stream. If we do a Sunday Globex stream, I'm not sure yet. We might. But if you lock it up, I promise you, you're going to have one thing guaranteed in your life. It's called feeling good on the weekend, right? Feeling good on the weekend. How good do you think I feel right now, knowing that I got, what is that, $15,000 of profit in TPT. My Tradeify accounts have moved to live. I got no trades in Alpha Funded, and I got a great little trade here in my funded next accounts, and then in my my Lucids. I'm getting a payout on my Lucids. That's some good Friday feels, baby. I'm taking my wife out to dinner tonight. God bless her. I'm a blessed man, I tell you what. Walking through the casino makes me feel good, and seeing all the beautiful people out on a Friday. It's Super Bowl weekend here in Las Vegas. I'm gonna have a great weekend. Probably take my wife shopping tonight. Why not? Spoil her a little bit. Make her feel good. So I'm going into my Friday with high energy, high octane. That's what I'm feeling. Who do you guys got in the Super Bowl? Dude, you know what? I should just bet my fucking shit on Yeet. I should just bet Super Bowl on Yeet. Who do you guys got for this Super Bowl? Let me see. So hard to stay away from the gambles. The Hawks. Let's do a poll. And then we can bet it. Who do you have for Super Bowl winner? Hawks, Pats. Let's see. The poll is going to go live over on Kick. I'll do one on YouTube as well. Who do you have for the Super Bowl winner? Hawks, Pats. Bang. Let's see. I'm curious. I can't believe it's already Super Bowl weekend. I also am in denial that it's even February, which is brazy, dude. I mean, this could be... Hold on. I'm showing the wrong thing. Look at that. That could be crazy. A little Hawks bet. I don't want to show that. Little Hawks bet, huh? We are doing the WD over here in NASDAQ. I don't know if it's worth our time to even watch. I don't mind watching gold if you guys don't mind watching gold. Gold's pretty cool. When the fuck did February get here? Time's moving too fast. It's still 2007 in my head. Well, 2007, wow, that's a long time ago. I don't know if I could vibe with that one, but I can definitely vibe with the fact that I still feel like it's January. We'll watch gold, don't worry. Damn, 70% are saying Hawks. What if Brady got back on the field? What do we think if Brady just fucking gets in there? Quarterback gets injured, Brady's like, I'm coming in! I'm coming in, guys! Does that sway the odds at all? Brady would be taking selfies on Instagram, as he has been. Gamble channel points on the Super Bowl. I mean, we might have to do that on Super Bowl Sunday. Have a little watch party. Oh, you know what? I might not do the Sunday Glowback stream because of Super Bowl. I bet you the markets are going to be pretty docile. Don't say that. Well, the Hawks are a 59% favorite on Kick and a 69 giggity% favorite on YouTube. So, look at that, 70-30. Well, damn. Oh, Rips, I'm trying to figure out this volume profile shelf. Can you just show it and give a short comment? Or maybe there's a video somewhere that explains it good. Thanks, of course, man. So, I'm going to zoom in a little bit here. And I want you to pay attention to the right side of the screen. You see how we have the volume profile here on whatever my viewport is? Naturally, you're going to see some things sticking out right here. This is less volume than this. This is more volume than this, right? So what I'm looking for is clearly defined volume shelves. For instance, if we just started selling, there's two areas that I'd be watching for, right here, mainly here, and here. If we, progress through the day and it's selling, when we get to this area and we kind of do like a little break and retest, there's a good way to target from here down to there because this is a slippery slope. There's not a lot of contracts that were traded there. And in fact, oftentimes we'll be filling these areas because there was a lot of areas of price that we did not fill, right? So your volume shelves are sticking out thusly here, here, here. These are your slidey zones, right? These are the zones where you're going to have fast sellers, or in this case, it was fast buyers on the way up. That's pretty much it. Don't have to make it too confusing or anything. Does that make sense? That was for you, Chris Boot. What are your thoughts on deep charts? I've never heard of it. Well, I've heard of it because y'all have talked about it, but I've never used it before. These are my settings right here. Number of rows is set to 150. Volume is set to total. Value area volume is 100. You can always go back and pause, take a screenshot. And that's it. I just have some pretty colors selected. Nothing crazy. I don't use a develop VOC, developing value area, value added high, or value area high. I always say added. Value area high, value area low, I don't really use. And then just those right there. That's me. I like to keep it clean. That just completely helped me understand volume profile in 30 seconds. Well, there you go. It ain't that hard, isn't it? What's going on at NQ? We got a little slippery slope here. Let's go check on NQ. NQ's starting to do some things. S&P is also selling off a little bit. We are about 7 minutes from the top of the hour. I don't know if I'm going to trade much anymore, if I'm being honest with you. I really don't know. I feel pretty good about my Friday. I don't mind it if, we just wait for that 10 a.m. news to roll around and we're gambling at the time. You know what I mean? All software stocks bounced back after yesterday's loss. We are seeing that. We do have some actual downside gaps to fill if you guys are curious about that. We actually have gaps in nearly every single Mag 7 ticker. So if you're one of those people that believes in gap fills, we could be coming down today with some fury and vengeance. But we'll see. It really all just depends. Like adult diapers. How's the new indicator going? Soon it will come out. I just have to make sure that, I don't like putting my name on things unless it's the Ripsy seal of approval. So I'm just thinking about maybe removing some of the things from the Rip Scalper Pro over here. But this one has been out. The Rips Key Levels is out right now. It's free. Best price in the world is free. For the most part. Kazcut says, great feeling. I like the November 21st low on NQ. Maybe not today, but minimum next week. Maybe. If we're looking at gap fills, I mean, you're looking at NVIDIA filling the gap below 173. You're looking at Meta coming down below 660s. I mean, it would be crazy to see that, but hey, it's Friday. Anything can happen. We can have a sell everything Friday. Anything can happen. Free 53. I love that. Never really pay attention to gap fills. Sometimes it takes multiple days to fill a gap. Yeah, I'm not a big gap fill kind of guy. You know, I don't really care. It is what it is. It's not something that I pay super attention to. It's just something that's in the back of my mind and I'm thinking about it. If we're closer to an area that, for instance, let me show you in video. All right. Let's turn off these indicators so you can see. But on video, you know, you see this gap that we have right here, right? If we do see selling, like if we were opening here, it's pretty likely to me that we're going to fill that. But we're up a little bit higher, right? We're up a little bit higher here, so we're looking from that close to where we are now. Not really counting on that. If we look at from top to bottom here, let's just take like that midpoint of price down to here, you know, still kind of too far away. Like I said, if we opened thusly, it would make, well, other way, it would make a lot more sense for us to be filling that, in my opinion, right? It would be the perfect amount. It's funny how I can eyeball it like that. Anyway, that's all I'm just looking for there. I think we're too far away for entertainment of a gap fill, but if we do start to roll, I would bet on the fact that it's going to be a very violent roll today. So that's kind of what goes in the back of my head on days like today, you know? How much I'm making Globex last night? Across the board? About 20,000. About 20,000 across the board. About 20,000. Do you mostly only scalp? Well, the way that I look at it is this. If the market is giving me ample opportunities, you've seen it in my live account, right? So let's just say that we're playing out the scenario where we do have a tremendous roll day, right? We go way down. If I have a good enough look on the market where I can short something and hold it, I'm gonna do a couple different things. Let's just say my short is something like this, right? I'm opening a short down yonder. Maybe my stop is there. So I'd be looking for targets at each one of these areas, right? Previous 4-hour mid, Asia high. But let's just say we go down yonder here to the daily open. That's 341 points on 100 contracts. That's $680,000. Now, probably won't get the whole thing, but I've had some trades here in my live account where it makes sense for me to hold if the order flow is telling me to hold. And what I'll do on something like that is quite simple, right? Let's say my stop is originally here, right? The blue line is going to be my stop. Let's just say that we come and we break down this area of price here. I'm going to move my stop to the midpoint of that. And let's say it keeps on cratering. I'm going to move my stop down here to a key level that I have marked on my chart. I'm going to keep on moving my stop down, keep on moving my stop down. The problem is that eventually this is going to come back and bounce. And even if it goes down lower, it's going to tag my stop. And I'm okay with that, right? I'm okay with trailing my own stop and having that get hit. So usually I won't get the maximum excursion, the MFE, maximum favorable excursion on the trade, because I will actively be trailing my stop. And that is the less scalpy style of trading that I'll do when I have some type of look like that. Will it come all the time? No. But it does come from time to time, and sometimes I am positioned in that correctly where I can hit that. All right. Do we have news at the top of the hour? Not that I'm aware of. Let me see. No. No news at the top of the hour, but we will have a kerfuffleation. Does that all make sense? Does that all make sense? No filters on my bookmap. No, God, no. I would never use filters on my bookmap. Why would I ever want to use filters on my bookmap? Do you know how many algorithms spam ones? Do you know how many algorithms out there are spamming single lots? Why would I ever want to miss that information? That's so much MGI that I'd be missing out on. That's crazy. Are the yellow dotted lines part of the TV script? Nope. Those are drawn by myself. Derek Fisher said, good morning from Dallas. Good morning to you, sir. The Trader Map Pro garbage. Yeah, I don't like that either. Yeah, no, I would never. On micros, you doing 3 or 5 at a time. Why do we not talk about 1, 2, or 4? Why is it only 3 or 5? Why can't I do 1, 2, or 4? What happened to 1, 2, or 4? Just seems like... You know, I looked at you. You look like either a 3 guy or a 5 guy. It's also my favorite burger spot. 5 Guys. Yeah, why can't I be 7s? Why can't I be 7s or 6s or 8s? What if I want to do 8 micros? Fuck it, I'll go for 11. I go 1 micro. I go 2 micros, and I go 4 micros. I never do 3 or 5. 3 or 5, no way. No shot. So you said TBT doesn't have a payout cap. They do have a daily payout, or I'm sorry, a daily profit cap. It's $10,000 per pro account. But when you're in the Pro Plus, it is uncapped. So that means with 5 accounts in a single trading session, you can make 50 grand. Which is a lot. I think. You only do 6, 7 micros? It's crazy. What gets you to Pro Plus? It is at their discretion, or if you hit that $10,000 in a single day when their Pro Plus platform program thing is working, but it's not right now, apparently. Yeah, Pro Plus is completely uncapped. If you don't remember, Lanto took $2 million in like 5 trading days from Pro Plus. $2 million. That's really good, but if you make 10K, are you only eligible for a 5K payout? What? No? Huh? What? No. That's crazy town, brother. Especially right now when their Pro Plus transition is not working. If you make 50K in a session, you get 80% of that, so you get 40K. 40K. 80-20 split. Yeah, they lock 5K up when you move to Pro Plus, guys. When you move to Pro Plus. Wait, is Twilight Princess new? Hold on. What is this? I got Yeet up. I'm not even looking at markets right now. I'm looking at Yeet. Is Twilight Princess new or is this old? Huh? Is this new or old? Twilight Princess. Why aren't we ever playing this shit? Oh, because we can't juice it. I see. Okay, it's an old one. It's old. Gotcha. I'm ready to crush some meat. Dude, I don't have my trading hat on right now. I'm satisfied with my day, dude. Got 15 G's in TPT. Tradeify got moved to live. Alpha funded, I guess we could trade. Funded next, we are only $700 away from passing. That's easy. Well, nothing's easy. And then my Lucid are getting $15,000 in payouts. I guess we could wait for Monday for those payouts. But man, I don't even want to trade today. I'm good. You know? Bro, did you see Top Step is a sponsor of the Olympics? No way. For real? That's crazy. Thoughts on BTC? I don't really trade BTC. I just gamble it. I gamble USDT. That's my only involvement in crypto. Those Apex accounts you bought for Quanta. Oh, dude, I still have. Holy shit. I forgot about those. Damn. I got to make sure that. Thank you. I totally forgot about those, dude. Holy shit. Let me log in and see some. I totally forgot about those fuckers. You do ARB with crypto? Crazy, man. Let me see here. You're right. 250K rhythmic accounts. I forgot I even had these. Holy smokes. 10-year trader today here. Profitable for 2. You're the realest streamer out there. Your chat's blessed, brother. Wish I had this when I was learning. Right on, brother. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you, truly. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I forgot about these rhythmic accounts, baby. Maybe we could trade those, huh? Not now. I don't want to do it now, though. Is there trailing drawdown in the eval? There is, right? I don't remember. It's been like so many prop firms now. Is there trailing drawdown in the eval? There is, okay. I'm like, wait, is there not? I thought there was. Gamble with Quantower accounts? I mean, that's a waste. Those were expensive. It's like $800, bro. That's a waste of $800. Still scared to trade my PAs. Exactly right. 100%. I don't even have the window open. Let me pop it open here. Let me pop her open. I'm terrified to trade these bad doggers, dude. I'm scared. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding. Skee-dee-dee-dee-dee. There. Look at it. I'll show you. Look at these things. There they all are. That's them right there. I'm just scared, baby. I'm scared. There's gonna be somebody out there being like, I was watching Ripstream. He's had 62,370 PAs. No, you dingus, that's my account number. Somebody's gonna do that though. I can't believe Rips has had 62,000 PAs, brother. Can you imagine 62,000 PAs? How much money would that cost? There's legitimately people out there that think that 62,700 or 370. How much are PAs? These were what? 135 bucks? That'd be $8.4 million. I'm financing Brian Stonk's next payout. It's me. I'm the guy. How can they pay out so much? Well, I saw on Rip Stream he had 62,000 PAs. Ah, that's where the money comes from. You guys don't have to trade exactly like Rips. You can find your own edge in the market. Listen to what he has to say, though. His mental game is insanely strong. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Quantower has to be the slowest platform to open. Dude, it took so long to connect when I was trying to mess around with it. But, man, that is not my flavor of ice cream. I'll tell you right now, that is just not my flavor of ice cream. Quantower did not look like it was fun. Channel gamble points. Let's see. 906 came and went, and we are doing the unders here. The unders win. The unders win. All right, let's do another one. Let's do 946. I like 946. Let's do the same number. We'll give you 10 minutes for that one, too. We are pushing up off those lows. 775 exchanged all the way back up to 812 here. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. What's your favorite Winter Olympics event, Rips? It's called picking up the remote and changing the channel. That is my personal favorite. Not a big Olympics guy. I don't really want to see who's the best at exercising. Not really my thing, you know? Not really my thing. Congratulations, you're the best exerciser in the world. No, I'm kidding. Snowboarding, hockey, curling. I'm just kidding. No, snowboarding, hockey, curling is cool. I like playing, when I used to go to the bars, the shuffle puck or whatever the fuck that thing's called, shuffleboard. So I like curling. Sue me, I know. Do you know what ICT's favorite Winter Olympic sport is to watch? Figure skating. I could hear it in his voice. I don't know why. Ooh, whatever, dude. Got a 50K Tradeify growth account. My man. Let's see. Oh, God. That's just funny to me. I don't know why. I'll get that to you on Monday, dude. Ripsy just copped another alpha with your sexy code. Oh, yes. Do you like alpha? I have not really traded on alpha, but I got a 50K account. What do I have? Let me see. I have whoop. I gotta log in. My dashboard's gone. I got a 50K. What is this? Zero. I got a 50K zero plan for alpha. I just haven't traded it yet. Remind me on Monday, whatever, dude. I'll make sure you get that on Monday. You shouldn't be trading it on a Friday anyway. You know what I mean? Has anyone heard of Top One Futures? They got some crazy first account deals. I've heard of them. I've never used them before, no. I feel like they had like some weird like MLM thing or something like that. You missed some more trades? No. These were from last night. You missed... Katie, weren't you there for Globex? I thought I remember seeing you in Globex. Yeah, we did this in Globex. It was Globex, baby. Is there a dollar value you're chasing before you quit trading, or will you trade as long as you can? I mean, I'm very comfortable in my life. You know, I've reached a lot of goals that I've set, but you know, if I made realistically, I don't know, 20 million in a year, maybe I might tone down the trading, I guess. Last year was extraordinary for me. It reminded me of COVID times, but I don't know if I'd ever stop trading, but I'd tone down my trading, right? I don't need to be putting on the size that I'm putting on in my personal account. You know what I mean? Don't need to be doing that, but I'd like to get to the next level and ratchet up a little bit. So, but 20 million you can put in so many different fixies that will just kind of generate money for you that you can have a very lavish life for that, you know? One of these days you'll be putting on 1,000 contracts. Certainly not on a live stream, that's for sure. That'd be fucking insane. The fact that I did 200 on a live stream is psychotic. When the dollar disappears, how would trading work? Would you just be paid in crypto, or what other new currency is? It's called yuan. Not crypto. It's called the yuan. The new global reserve. Yesterday was one of my most profitable days in the market. I'm booking a holiday with the money and going for a break. Let's go, Johnny Mac. Let's go, baby. Johnny Mac, I think you made 40K yesterday or 10K, or I forget what it was, but you made a lot of money, brother. I don't want you trading today. I don't want you trading today, my friend. Do you have a Legends trading account? I do not, no. I'll go over them again. TPT, Tradeify is going live. Alpha funded 0. Funded next, Rapid, I think is what this is called. And then Lucid Pro. So that's what I got. That's where I'm at. Is Rips rich? No, I'm rich in spirit. Financially, what a disaster. Is there any benefit in having volume profiles split between buys and sells instead of using Bookmap, or is that totally different? It's completely subjective to the trader. How I have my trading tools set up may never work for you, and vice versa. How you trade and how you look at the markets may never work for me, and that's totally fine. Trading is completely and entirely subjective. This is what works for me. That's it. What do you think about the Funded Next Bolt program? I've heard good things about it. People really liked it because they brought it back, I think, permanently, but I don't have the Funded Next Bolt accounts. Maybe I should have got those. I do not know. Bolt, let's see. 3 minis, 9 micros. That's so weird. Why? 3 minis, 9 micros? Why not 30 micros? Huh? You said what, brother? It's only $100. How many of these can you have at once? How many bolts can you have at once? How long did you spend with this bubble chart before you started having success with it? It took me about a year to be less than terrible with it. It's really annoying with the mini micro conversion doesn't add up. Well, I think their bubble's going to get bursted with Tradeovate introducing that feature where you can convert your minis to micros. How's that going to work? Like if you have 3 minis on and you press the convert button, it's going to go 30 micros. And what are they going to do next? Yeah, I mean, I was staring at it for a year straight, man. So, and I was trading 10 hours a day, or at least involved in the markets, watching the markets for 10 hours a day. Your setup is very into the tick of every order. Yeah, I mean, that's how I like to read the markets. I mean, look, you're gonna have people out there that find tons of success just doing this. 15-minute candles and just observing something like this and being like, well, for some reason I see this is bottoming because these tails right here, so I'm gonna be looking for buys anywhere in this zone off the open, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. It's just not the way that I trade, you know? There's nothing wrong with that. Everybody's different, right? I like looking at show me what's underneath there, you know? Everything. In before somebody copy trades 20 accounts, tries to scale out of micros and hits API limit in 10 minutes. Oh, dude. Maybe they're going to get rid of the API limit. You never know. Who knows? I don't know. You know, since Apex is not having a sale right now, how would you guys feel about it if I gave away some Apex accounts? Because it's Friday and I want to give you value, but I don't think I'm going to trade off the open. Is that chill? Can I do that? Give y'all out a couple Apex accounts? Any size too, 300K, 250K, 100K, static. Whatever you want. Would that be cool? Do a giveaway on Kick and a giveaway on YouTube. I've been neglecting my YouTubers. How to enter. Just be here. We'll do it shortly after the open, okay? I'm gonna give away 2 Apex accounts on YouTube, 2 Apex accounts on Kick. I think that's fair. Give me a $10 million account. My account isn't even at 10 million yet, Natty boy. Can you believe that? What a bum I am. Now keep in mind, you will have to pay the activation fee for this account, right? You do have to pay the activation fee for this account. So if it's something that you don't want to pay the activation fee for, don't rob this from somebody who's willing to do that, right? Bro, I would like to ask a tip on order flow. Basically, aren't you need it to break a profile, but it's lagging, right? What happened when there is no volume bubble? Is there any indicator to get early sign? Well, the volume bubbles are the earliest sign, my friend. Look at this. I can see down to the millisecond. The CME calculates orders in milliseconds. This is down to the millisecond, every single tick in the market. See? I see everything. I see it all. There is no lag. I see it in the moment that it happens. I was just about to open an Apex account. Well, you know what they say. It's an old saying that goes back hundreds of years, but they said this specifically about Apex. They said, if you're going to open an Apex account, use code RIPS. Can't get fooled. There's an old saying. That's what they tell you. Here's the other thing I was thinking. Maybe I could give away a couple Tradeify accounts too, because they moved me to live. I feel frisky on a Friday, believe me. I just feel like we should do some giveaways after the open, because if I'm not going to be trading off the open, I got to give you some value somehow, right? Let's do it. Fuck it. I'm going to give away some Lucid accounts too. God damn it. Here I go again. Sometimes I just can't help myself. I'm ashamed. I'm going to give away some Apex accounts. I'm going to give away some Tradeify accounts, and I'm going to give away some Lucid accounts. Sometimes I just can't help myself. I don't know what gets into me, but sometimes I just can't help myself. Sometimes I just can't help myself, so let's do it. We'll do it at 9:40. Well, when's the channel points gamble? 9:46. We'll do it right after 9:46. Why not? Why not, baby? Josh says, my great-grandfather used to tell my father to use code RIP. It's been passed down for generations. There you go. I love that. Oh, yeah, we'll do it on YouTube chat. Don't worry. We'll do it on YouTube chat. We'll do it on Kick chat. We'll do it on both at the same time. Fuck it. I'm going to give away a 100K amp account. Well, that's a little bit expensive. That's a little bit pricey. I think those Bolt program is like a video game. You finish the game after 5 WD, so it's not scalable. Interesting. I lost my Apex funded account that had buffer from the Trade of 8 outage, so would be nice. They won't replace it or at least, hold on, I missed that. Or at least haven't yet. I've been in touch. Sucks ass was 2 days from max ban. I'm sorry, brother. I'm sorry. It happens to the best of us, homie. Consumer sentiment at 10. We also have Michigan's consumer sentiment. Yeah. The Michi cents. 220 filled on the bid. Yes, sir. Right here. That's the big old bubble right there. 284 contracts exchanged. So a little bit of what was shown on the bid plus a little iceberg. What does a player have to do around here to earn a house? I mean, brother, they were flying all over the place earlier. People were giving them out left and right. Who claimed earlier channel points? Since I'm giving away a bunch of shit, might as well check in the request queue here. 50K Tradeify growth account. Whatever, dude. Did you message me on Twitter, by the way? I think you did, right? Bostic is yapping right now. Be careful. Bostic is talking. Was that you on X, whatever, dude? I don't know if you're still here or not. I think that's the only person who claimed 14 minutes ago. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Antigua with the gifted for Klusterdamus. Where is whatever, dude? Ribs moving to live with Top Step. It's all good, but I'm finding my limitation of contracts from 5 accounts to 1 account might differ my trades. I feel more pressure with it now for some reason. Any way to get over this fear, or do I just start small and build again? Start small and build again. Easy answer. Ribs is a good dude. We worked together back in 54 in the mines. He was trading Bookmap on Palm Pilot back then. I didn't know Palm Pilot existed in 1954. That's insane. I thought it was a BlackBerry. I just discovered why I can't buy a sub. Kick doesn't show a sub button on the iPhone app, but the 30% markup is why you have to go log into Kick on a browser. That is correct. Do you do gym 5 days a week? No, 3 to 5 days a week. Lil Booyah says 96K today on gold. That's one hell of a day for you, brother. Way to go. That is one hell of a day, my friend. That's insane. Who's Jim? How many times do you do it? That's funny. Jim, before your 1,200 calorie meal, believe it or not, that is correct. Right now, I've been doing OMAD all week. I was at 198 pounds when I started the week. I'm down to 184 or 185. I gotta see. Hold on. Let me see. That data gets sent to my Whoop. I weighed myself last night. Let me see. Where is my data? Health. Where is this thing? Health monitor? No. Why can't I see my weight? Oh, there it is. Let's see what it's at. 185 evens. 185 evens. My peak was at 198. So in essentially four days. 13 pounds? No. Is that really? How? Damn, that was a lot of water weight I was carrying. What do you usually eat for your OMAD meal? First 2 days this week, or 3 days, 2 days, was chicken, steak, and broccoli. And then yesterday was just chicken breast and broccoli. And that was it. Speaking of health, Apple Watch says I have a 62 VO2 max. How do I check my VO2 max? What's my VO2 max?
You can find that in the Health app on iPhone.
Okay, I'll find it in the Health app on iPhone. Let's see. VO2. Mine's at 38. Do I fast? I eat one meal a day right now. Oh my God, look at, we're rolling. We are rolling heavily here, my God. We're gonna have liquidity coming in 5 seconds. Watch this, watch this. 5 seconds. Now, there it is, bang. Love OMAD. A couple weeks ago, I pulled the 72-hour water fast. How was that? Well, I don't know where whatever dude went. I guess I'm gonna have to hold off on giving him this account. GTA 6 coming out in... I missed it. Where did you go? GTA 6 coming out on November 19th. You gonna be running the virtual liquidity or not? I don't know what that means. I might stream it. I don't know. All right, there you folks go in MC. Click the party horn in MC if you want that. Are you leaning against long or short? Neither. If we go down, we might be looking for a bit of a gap fill in some of these equity names, but right now we're showing a lot of weakness here. Meta and Microsoft are rolling to the downside. I guess, you know, what's an account I don't exactly care about is the, this account was super cheap. Maybe I could trade this. What is it again? Nope, not that one. Oh my God, look at that. Markets are open. Alpha funded account. Maybe I try this one. I don't know what my drawdown is on this thing or anything. Boom, ba-dum, da-da-dum, dum, dum, da-dum. Markets are open here. We are underneath 740 here. I'll try this short underneath 740. We're holding just below. Not yet. Hold on. Covered that. This is an alpha funded zero account. I got a little bit too excited there. I was like, hold on. I think this account was like $50. We're trying to get at 740. Let's see. Okay. Confirmed. Hold it. They're not doing it yet. We're underneath 740, but we're not popping it lower yet. Give me a minute. Can we just eat? We will. We're going to do some giveaways. We're doing the WD here. Bookmap, don't freeze on me, baby. S&Ps are kind of wiggling too. Watching for a take of 740 here. It just doesn't want to go, does it? A lot of wiggling here. It's still shaping up right around the 740 area. There we go. All right. Back in the green. Alpha funded zero account. Little bit spazzy, isn't it? A little bit spazzy. You're starting each trade with small size and continue to add as it does what you expected. Sometimes it depends. We're just trading around a range right now. That 740 is my tell. It's the point of control. So I'm just trading around that. I'm happy we're not trading accounts that matter right now. You know what I mean? We're not trading anything where I'm like, if I was trading TPT, I would not be trading like this. Believe that, you know? Dow straight up. S&Ps and NASDAQ starting to go for it here. Wow, that was a 100 handle whip there. Are you serious? Is that for real? I'm going to try to get this little boot scoot and rally here. Straight to 850. I mean, if it's going to go, peeling back a little bit. Trying it again. It's dancing at 850 right now. It's dancing. If we get this breakout above 860, it's just dancing up here. It's hard for me to trust it. But if we can get this breakout above, hard for me to trust it. Hold on. Get a little bit of a breakout above here. Maybe we can take it on this one mini ride to the moon. I'm getting some laggy fills here. My goodness. S&Ps are trying to break out as well here. A lot of overhead supply coming in. See if we get up to 68.90 here in the S&Ps. Watching on this peel back here. Back to them 70s. Let's see. A lot of exchanges up here. Looking for a bit of a dip into these 50s, perhaps. They're not holding below 50s, so I want to try to get this back above 75 here. See if they can shape this up above that 75 area. Yeah, they're not going for it yet. Back to the 50s. It's crazy strong. The ATR is insane. S&Ps are showing some weakness, but I don't trust it yet. Big pullback there in Meta as well. We are making a healthy distribution here just above 50. S&Ps as well. There's a huge gap in this distribution. I can't believe that that's saying 175 points. That was that move there. 175 points is insane. Does anybody know if these are 1 day to pass either? I'm not sure. It's 2 days? Gotcha. Right now, big healthy distribution here. It's 1 day to pass? Oh boy. If you don't know, don't say. Oh goodness. If you don't actually know, don't say. Little bounce back up here towards 50. Let's see. Point of control just moved to 50s now. It is 1 day. Okay, thank you. On the zero accounts, it's 1 day for sure. Well, we had an explosive open, and now we're just dealing with a healthy distribution here. It's trying to fight these 50s, but I don't think it can. Big bounce in Microsoft. Nvidia's holding up here in the middle. See if we can go back above these 60s at all. Looking for this extension. Looking for a pop above 60s. Can it get up and over? Wait, what happened? What happened? What happened? I was long, wasn't I? What happened? It says I have $865 worth of drawdown. What happened? What happened? What happened? It says I have $865 worth of drawdown. I swear to you, it says that. I'm not kidding. Look at this. Look at that. It says I have $865 worth of drawdown. Why are they lying? We had that trade dead to rights. Come on. Come on. Well, shoot. Damn. Look at that. We had this thing dead to rights. Son of a gun. Well, those are the breaks. What else can we do here? I guess we could trade. What are these again? Funded next. Try to get $700 more in these things, I guess. Man, that was enough. Did anybody catch that trade there from fucking 850? That's a 50 handle, man. What a shame. That was a beautiful 50 handle trade. Son of a gun. Well, shoot. Yeah, we're picking this up here. Targeting 925 if we can hold above 887 here. Can we pick it up into that 925 area? There's a lot of people trying to cap this off, but I don't trust them. I think we can go for the juice here. Should be able to get right above 925. They're trying to pick it back up. Watching here. 910s are holding, but we should be able to pick it up to 925. A little bit of trouble here in the S&Ps. Oh, I don't like that player at 920. I gotta take that off. I didn't not like that player at 920. That's a violent player at 920. Not so nice there. I'm surprised that there's a lot of people still trying to get in this on the sell side. Watching here at 900s now. That player at 920 might be relaxed. Watching here. Back to 920s. Can we get up and over? Targeting that 925 area. Watching for the pop over 920 here. There we go. Hold that pop now. Ooh, I don't like that. There's somebody front running those 30s. I do not like that. You dirty dog. Oh my God. Somebody came in and front ran those 30s out of nowhere. You gotta hate people who get in the way of a good rally like that. How annoying. Could have covered that sooner the moment I saw them, but I thought we would have got one uptick into those 30s. Wait and see here. I thought we would have schmammered into those 30s right quick. Seeing this drive back up. Man, are they just going sell side here? I guess I could have looked at those 30s, huh? Prior midpoint here, right around 860. Very aggressive here. Let's watch. So this is the other point of distribution. Below 840, we sail back down. Seeing if we can capture any of this. Still kind of rejecting towards 870. Try this here. If we can stay weak under 870. We're at the lower end of this shelf, so we have to break below 840 for this to count. Targeting weakness under 870 here. Back to 870. Adding to that, let's see if we get this continued weakness back down. Looking for a flush below 840. Stops at 870, just got ticked. Son of a gun. Well, we're going from volume shelf to volume shelf here. We added it at 870. I thought we'd get the turn down to 840. We might still get it, but I stopped out just above 870 there. It's building back liquidity. You know what's funny is we're probably going to take out that 930 player now. Somebody front ran the shit out of those 930s when we were up there. I could have just flipped short. That would have been the easy thing to do, right? Just flipping short there on those 930s. I don't want to touch those. Those are lucid. I mean, maybe. I don't know if I want to touch my take profit, though. We got 2 minutes until the channel points pay out. 2 more minutes till the channel points pay out. Watch, we're gonna fucking scream throw those 930s now because nobody's gonna be front running them. Golly, it's crazy when it's like all you needed was one little tickle into an area, and then the flow changes instantly. I guess I could have short. I just didn't think that we'd get that rip down from 930 down to 850. I thought we would have had a pullback, but not a rip to the downside like that. Anybody else have trade of 8 Lucid issues? My account won't close. I haven't traded Lucid yet, but I've been having no issues with my trade of 8 at all. Ripsmod will help you out with that, Jorge. That's what he's here for. Ripsmod is the GOAT when it comes to that. You ever drank yerba mate? Yeah, of course. Oh, wow. I look away and there's that fucking extension above 930. Come on. You're kidding me. You're kidding me. Now they let it run. Isn't that annoying? They let it run like the wind. Right to that 930 player. No problems, no issues. Not a single issue under the sun there. Isn't that something? Isn't that something? The target from earlier just has no problem getting licked. It's crazy. Done for today. Way to go, Blue NQ. Let's go, baby. $50 from passing. I love to see that. We're looking for a flat top breakout here into 6,900 in the S&Ps potentially. Flat top breakout. It's looking like it wants to make a violent breakout here to the top side. We are seeing a big bull up here from Microsoft as well. Let's watch and see. S&Ps are being contained right at 6,900 as we live and breathe. Extremely violent Friday for NASDAQ. Wow, look at this violence. Sellers did not want to give us 6,900 or 950 in the NAS. Back to the point of control there at 920. A lot of exchanges at that 920 area. There is a lot of volume coming in, and we still have news at the top of the hour. A lot of volume still coming in here. Let's see if we can target this higher liquidity here. Back at those 30s, it is wicking above slightly. Seeing if we can get this blowout towards 950 here. Seller coming in at 45. See if they can contain this at these 40s. If not, we should push up to those 50s. We should. Should is the key word here. Right now, they are showing some pressure, but I think that we can have a little bit of a blowout here just above those 40s. Hopefully, we don't have a repeat of what we saw at those 30s, where we have one player that just shits on everybody here. Watching for this blowout of 40s. Can we get that push up to 40s and beyond? There they go. Open it up. Open it up, baby. There we go. 20,000. I'll take it. Open it up like a juicy bottle of wine. Isn't it funny that all the areas of price we want are the biggest contention areas? Isn't that something? That's annoying. I could do without that today. Just holding. Good to see you online at YouTube this time. Well, it's what we've been doing lately. Look at that. Wow, thank God we're not waiting for it now. Jesus. NQ is a disgusting little dirty rat sometimes, isn't it? All right, let's see what the channel points gamble said. Above 850, I think the overs are going to win this one. Right? 946. 930, yes, sir. 850s are going to win. There we go. NQ is a dirty little rat today, huh? All right, I'm giving you 1 minute for this prediction. 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute for this prediction. If you miss it, you miss it. Don't come crying to me, Argentina. By the way, everybody in MC, there's only 21 entries for the giveaway of any account that you want from Tradeify, Apex, or Lucid. There's only 21 people who are in the giveaway. Kind of insane, if you ask me. That is correct. We get the 10 a.m. Michigan sentiment. We'll be doing a giveaway here on YouTube and on Kick shortly. Boy, howdy. Has no problem driving higher now, right? No problems. What a clean move that is, huh? No problems. Just driving to the moon, baby. No problems. God. She's a dirty little bitch. That NQ, she's a dirty little bitch. Good Lord. It's unbelievable, dude. It's unbelievable. The giveaway has not started yet. Don't worry about it. Yeah, we're at 20K today in TBT, right? 20K. Mm-hmm. Ribs Balls with the 5-month sub. My man. Got 1K on MNQ. Let's go, Gem Trades. What's your goal for props this year? Well, we got moved to live in Tradeify. TBT will probably get moved to live pretty soon, I'd think. You know? As long as we keep getting these clean moves that don't fuck us. It is pretty funny, though, how that happened on Alpha. The Alpha funded, or the Alpha, whatever the fuck it's called. That we didn't even have the drawdown correct in those fucking accounts. That was too funny. Dun, 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 dun. All right. We got about 7 minutes, 6.5 minutes till the top of the hour. At the top of the hour, I will explain how to get in the giveaway, where you can get any account that you want. We're going to have giveaways for Tradeify, Lucid, and Apex. It's going to be dealer's choice. Dun 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 dun. If you want to start early, go right here. If you want to start early, if you want to get in, jump the line, go ahead and go there. If you want to jump the line early, go ahead and go to that link. Was down 300 on my 25K TBT and made it all back plus 90. Let's go, Steph. Sold the top for 4K. Let's go, Cam. Way to go, baby. Let's see what the over-under bet is here. 54% over, 46% under. My goodness. Rips, I've been profitable this entire week. All green days. One side is like, damn, I really could have increased my side. But I always thought in the back of my head, protect mental capital. That's the way to go, baby. The market will continue to move. You will continue to grow as a trader. If you try to rush things, you're going to get smacked in the face, my friend. Don't do it. Just relax, baby. Relax. It's all good. I promise you. Just relax. Dude, you remember how I got 93 hours of sleep? Or it's 93 hours. 93 minutes of sleep last night. I got 7 hours and 45 minutes somehow. Crazy. Crazy how that works, huh? Isn't that something? A little bit better to get over 93 minutes of sleep. I don't even know how long ago that was. That was a long time ago, baby. What does front running mean? Jancy, I believe that we've talked about that about 150,000 times in here, but I'll go over 151,000 times. Front running just means that there's people trying to front run a key area of price. So, for instance, let's just say that I am short from here and I got 7,000 contracts on. And I know that there's a lot of people that are going to be covering it at 850. I'm going to try to get out of those contracts. I'm going to set my algorithm to start buying up my short in this area and front running all this liquidity at 850 because you see how much liquidity is sitting right there? So I'm going to get out of my short before everybody else is trying to get out there because there's not going to be enough sellers to interact with enough contracts to get me out of my short position. So I'm going to front run those 850s. Does that make sense? Is there a new Yeeter board? My contact at Yeet has something wrong with his fucking tonsils and refuses to get on the damn phone with me. So I've been dealing with that idiot all week. That fucking retard. But I'm trying to solve it as soon as possible. I think all the raffle winners got paid. See, look at that. As I was talking about it, there's somebody front running 850s is exactly as I said that most people would. There it is right there. Tell them to turn the streamer seed back on. The problem is that I've never had the streamer seed on in the first place. I don't know if you've been watching JT, but I don't remember the first time that I ever even had a good day on Yeet. I don't remember that part. Do you? Because I certainly do not. I remember only pain, suffering, and hurt, and lots of sorrow. Do I only have to sign up to enter the giveaway? That's part one, my friend. That is part one. Where is Ripsmod today, by the way? What in the world is going on with Ripsmod? Ripsmod is probably trading, huh? Would you ever trade this close to news or normally wait for the release? Depends on if it's on an account that matters. In a personal account, fuck no. In a test account, maybe. In like a $50 eval, yeah, maybe. The other day you did good on Yeet? I don't think you were watching me. I don't think you were watching this channel. When was this? When did I do good on Yeet? When was this? Brother, I lose only. I have yet to get the streamer luck. I have yet to get any kind of luck on that damn website. Yeah, that wasn't me you were watching. Thank you, what is your name? Habubika Johnson. Hello. Habubika Johnson. Hello. What a name. All right, Michigan Sentiment out in less than a minute. Let's see what happens here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and then we'll do our giveaway both on YouTube and Kick here. Make sure you are entered into the giveaway, propfirms.gg/giveaways. Very easy. Have you traded on range time frame? I don't know, man. I don't even know what that question means. I can't join. Well, it says error? No way. You're lying. It says error when you try to sign up? Is that for everybody? Works fine for me. Giveaway site loading form. Uh-oh. Are you guys for real? Looks good to me. You gotta click sign me up, not the no thanks button, by the way. Worked fine, I'm in. There you go. See, it ain't no thing, baby. 57.3 is the Michigan Sentiment versus a 55, so coming in a little bit better than expected. That is the consumer confidence. Well, Michigan consumer confidence. 1-year inflation expectations at 3.5% versus a 4%. 5 to 10 year at 3.4 versus 3.3. So kind of a mixed picture there. Ribs, how many contracts should I be using if I trade a 50K XFA with a $400 daily loss limit and a $2,500 daily profit daily DPL? DPL, what's DPL? I'm allergic to that question. I just sneezed. What the hell is DPL? Daily profit loss. Dingle penis liquor. I don't know. What is DPL? That's a new one for me. Daily profit limit? Why is there a profit limit? Why is there a limit? Why is there a limit? Shouldn't there be no limit? No limit city? Ooh, I want to spin some slots. Ooh, oh man, I just got the bug. Ugh. God, I want to do it. Okay, so I would say trade a few micros. Personal daily loss. No, it's DPL, daily personal loss. But 400 DLL is daily loss limit. I don't know. All right, let's do a giveaway here, folks. Ripspot is going to drop a link to Tradeify right now on both YouTube. There's going to be 3 different keywords. You're going to type them in. So if the keyword number 1 is magic. Keyword number 2 is limit. Keyword number 3 is city. You're going to type it in like this: magic, limit, city. Just like that. Just one word, just like that. Right? You would if that was the keyword, but it's not. That's not the keyword. Right? It's not the keyword. So I want you to go to Tradeify, the link on Tradeify right now. Right? Go to that link on Tradeify. You see that guy who's fighting the air? Look at him. Man, he's kicking the shit out of that air. Did you see that? He's beating that air's ass. Wow. That's insane. Look at him go. Okay. The first word of the giveaway. Scroll down where it says Tradeify exclusive, included in all plans. Journal to find your blank strategies. Do not type in that keyword just yet. That is word number 1. Word number 1. Okay. Now, Ripsmod is going to drop a link for Apex. Here goes Ripsmod dropping that link for Apex. Watch them go with the speed of 1,000 people. All right, there's the Apex link. Keyword number 2. You're going to scroll down. It says, select your Tradeivate blank. That's word number 2. Select your Tradeivate blank. Now, Ripsmod is going to drop a link to Lucid. I love the people that are typing Magic Limit City. Good Lord. You guys that are typing in keywords right now are doing nothing, by the way. You're doing fuck all. Actually, I'm going to disqualify anybody who's typing in the word plan right now. You will be disqualified from the giveaway if you type in the words winning or plan. Look at all the people getting disqualified right now. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Disqualified, 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 disqualified. Holy shit. There's going to be nobody left for this giveaway. Holy shit. Holy shit. You guys are disqualifying yourself. Oh my God. It's unbelievable. Holy shit. That sucks. I'm sorry. That's really annoying. All right, the Lucid keyword. This one's easy. It's named after our chat. It's dipshit. No, I'm kidding. All right. I'll give you the keyword in a second. Timberlook, you just got disqualified. Congratulations, my friend. You have no chance of winning any giveaways today. Congratulations to you. Congrats, Timberlook. You will not be able to win any kind of giveaway today. That sucks for you. Sorry, man. That is so shitty, man. Oh, man. Oh, it's too bad. I can't believe it. I tried to give away free shit. It's crazy. Cameron Cook has been disqualified. They wrote Magic Limit City. Amazing. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. I know you can't help yourself. All right, I just got to get this set up for YouTube. I forget the giveaway thing on YouTube. What was it again? YouTube giveaway picker. The fuck was it? What was the thing I used on YouTube back in the day? Y'all remember or no? The word for lucid is coming shortly. I did not say the lucid word. You guys are so funny today. Mohammed has been disqualified from the giveaway. My goodness. All right, YouTubers. For some reason, I can't get the giveaway comment bot to work. So you're going to have to enter it over on Kick. So Ripsmod is going to give you a link to Kick. Sorry, but it ain't working. All right, the final word for the giveaway here. The final word for the giveaway on the Lucid page that you just went to is trade with blank. Type in those three words together. One single sentence without spaces. And there you go. And if you're on YouTube, you have to go over to Kick because the YouTube bot's not working. Unfortunately, nothing I can do about that. That YouTube bot ain't working. Look at that. We got 1,465 viewers over there on Kick right now. My goodness. Crazy. You got a lot of people over on Kick today. My goodness. That's a lot. I love you guys. Oh, you guys are so funny. All right, homies. Let's do it. Let's start giving these things away, baby. Let's start giving these things away. Let's do it. Let's go over here. Canadian dollar is at the highs of the day right now. My goodness. All right. The very first winner that we have out of all 1,472 of you. First winner. And you're going to tell me what you want. You have to be on Instagram. You have to be on Twitter. Tell me what your username is without the @ symbol. And you're going to tell me, what do you want? Tradeify, Apex, or Lucid account. Okay? Tradeify, Apex, or Lucid account. That's it. That's what you're going to tell me. On Tradeify, I got 50K selects, 50K gross, or 50K gross. 50K select or 50K gross. On Lucid. We have 50K Lucid Blacks, 50K Lucid Flex, or 50K Lucid Pros. On Apex, we have any size you want evaluation accounts. Okay? There we go. Uger 1990, you are our first winner. Let's see how well we do here. I believe in you, Uger. Let's see how well we can do this. You've won the contest, and now you get to pick Tradeify, Lucid, or Apex. Let's see. This is some giveaway music right here. Let's see, baby. Okay, there you are. Apex any size is what they chose. Let's see if I can find them on X. Congratulations to our first winner here. Oh, baby. Let's see if I can find them. There they are. All right, Apex any size coming your way, baby. I got you, baby. Apex any size for you. Apex any size. There it is. All right. Next winner, ladies and gentlemen. Our very next winner is Guinea Pips. Guinea Pips. You are our second winner. Guinea Pips, talk to me. Our second winner here. Same name on X, Lucid 50K. Which version of the Lucid 50K, my friend? Pro, Black, or Flex? Pro, Black, or Flex? What are you thinking, Guinea Pips? What you thinking, baby? Talk dirty to me. You'll go pro. I wish we all could, right? Guinea Pips, let me find you. Make sure you're following me here. There you are. I found you. That's the goods right there. All right, Lucid Pro, 50K. Coming your way. Ooh, yeah. I'm sorry. Dude, you've won before. You've won an Apex any size. Boom, boom. There you go. 50K Lucid Pro eval coming your way. All right, who's ready for another one? Here we go. Here we go. Nathanator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. You've won. What it's gonna be, baby. What it's gonna be. Come on down, Nathanator. It's your time to shine, baby. It's your time in the sun to dance, scream, and shout. Hey! I see you. I see you. How can I get this to you? See if I can channel your username by using my psychic powers. Nope, I can't. So we're gonna have to do the next step here, Nathanator, where you're gonna have to go, and I know this sounds crazy, but I'm not Professor Xavier from the X-Men. So I actually cannot come up with a way to figure out what your username is. I'll put you on the clock, though, for 30 seconds and see if that will light a fire under your ass. Timer 30 seconds. Got it? Okay, that worked. Wow. We threatened the takeaway from the giveaway, and they instantly find their way to type it in. Instantly. That's very interesting how that works. All right. Tradeify. Which version? 50K growth or 50K select? What'll it be, champion? What would you like, Nathan? I got anything you want. Anything in the world, baby. It's your world. We're just living in it. Nathanator loves the stage, by the way. He's like, this is my time to shine, baby. 50K select or 50K growth? Growth, please. I got you. I got you. 50K growth is coming your way, baby. All right. Let's do 3 more here. 3 more. Lingle trades? No way! Lingle? It's your time to shine, Lingle. Lingle trades, trade if I select. Boy, howdy, I got you. See if I can find you. Thank you. Look at how descriptive that was. Lingle's a goat. Lingle is a goat. How you guys feeling about this giveaway right now? How you guys feeling about this? Are we enjoying this? Because I know I am. 50K select markets are rolling here. Rolling. 50K select for you. Let's do 2 more here. 2 more. Remember, this is dealer's choice. Apex, Lucid, or Tradeify, it is your choice. Here we go. Daniel Chan. Or Danielle Chin. Or Daniel Chan. It's your time to shine. Come on down, baby. Come on down. It's your time, baby, Daniel. I want to give you some free accounts. Just come on down over here. Come on down. Just show me what you're made of. Siri, set a timer for 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Uh-oh. The timer is on, Daniel. We're putting you on the clock. Wouldn't this be a shame if Daniel did not take this all the way home? Damn. 11 seconds to claim this. 7 seconds to claim. 6, 5, 3, 2. Oh, no. Daniel. It's over. It's over, Daniel. What a shame. All right, next winner. What a shame. Devs Trades. I know you're here. Come on down, Devs Trades. Look at that. Look at that fucking hamster just going. Look at that fucking hamster. Look at that son of a bitch. I don't think that's a username, Devs Trades. No way! I don't think that's a username. I'm just spitballing here. Maybe it is. All right, so if you don't type in your next line your username, I'm passing it off, and that is a promise. If you do not type in the next line your username, I'm passing it off to the next person. Username on X or Twitter. What username you need. Should we let him have a pass? Should we let him have a pass one time? He gets one more sentence, one more line here. One more line. Let's see if he can figure it out. Because this is the hardest part here, as if nobody's been watching the entire motherfucking stream. Let's see if they can figure this out. What username you need? I'm going to need your mom's username because I want to fucking DM her about her sucking my dick tonight. I don't know. Maybe your fucking username, you goddamn moron. The fuck is this? Holy shit. Jesus Christ. And you don't even follow me. Hold on, I'm gonna check on X. There's no way this is real. There's no way. There's no way. I don't believe this for a second. They don't even follow me. Bye! Unreal. Unreal. Top Delta, you're our winner. Next time, give me your mom's username. That'd be better next time. Unbelievable. Top Delta, boom. All right, let's see if Top Delta can do it. Let's see if Top Delta can figure this out. Let's see. Oh my God, they did it. Look at that. I kind of want to give them like 10 accounts for following the rules right there. It's so easy. It's so easy. I love it. What username do you need? I don't know, man. What username do you need? Holy shit. That cracks me up, bro. What username do you need, man? I don't know. Give me your sisters, bro. Give me your sisters. Oh, I love it. Let's see. What was I doing? I lost track of time again. Just laughing, dude. Let's see. Lucid Pro. I got you. 50K Lucid Pro coming your way, baby. Bang, 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 bang. Ba-bang, ba-bang, biggity bang. Skirt, skirt, skirt. Skirt, 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 skirt. 50K Lucid Pro. Bang. Check your DMs, baby. I gotta give away some more here because I just can't stop myself. I can't stop myself. Here we go again. Jesse. 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 Which Lucid would you like? I got them all. Yeah, which one? We got you. Hold on. This might be an Instagram. Lucid Flex coming. Bang! Look at that. Jesse follows me so easy. What is that? Is that a dick on your fucking pictures? What is that? What the fuck? Is that a dick? What is that? What is that? You have like dead animals on your shit. What is going on? Anyway, I think you exposed me to something else. Lucid Flex, I got you. What is that? Lucid Flex eval coming your way, baby. I got you. Don't worry, I got you. Skinned out. Muskrat. Okay, it's a muskrat. Thank God it's not a penis. All right, 50K Lucid Flex eval DM'd directly to you. Congratulations. All right, that's gonna end our gig. Just kidding, I'm not stopping there. Yeah, right, I'm stopping there. You shitting me? You think I'm gonna stop right there? You kidding me? Especially after Devs trades? That was too funny. I want more funniness like that. Cloud9 Snake. Woo! Hitting us with the Ric Flair. Come on down. Look at that, Lucid Pro, beautiful. I got you, and they said thank you. That's so kind. You're welcome. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching the stream. I appreciate you hanging out with us. Bang-a-ding, dang-a-ding, diggity, dang-a-ding, diggity, dang. Oh, dang, you've won before. That's a brazy train sitting on biscuit wheels. I can't believe you won before. That's crazy. How'd you do on the one that you won? Did you make some money? That's all I'm concerned about. Did you make a little cheddar for yourself? Oh, beautiful. I love to hear that. Lucid Pro coming your way, baby. All right, let's do two more. Final two. Maybe we can get Devs trades again and see if Devs trades figured out how to follow. Zorkel! Easy name to remember. Zorkel! Come on down, Zorkel. Wow, that was fast. Yes way. What would you like? What can I get for you? I'm serving you up any account that you want, baby. It's your world. We're all just spectators to it. What would you like, sir? Tradeify Select. Oh, baby, that's a choice. I love that. Great pick. A fantastic pick indeed. And look at that. You do follow me. Thank you, Ethan. Appreciate you. I'm done driving now. Did you crash? No, I hope not. I got you. 50K select. All right, here we go. The final winner of the Friday giveaway. I don't even know how many accounts I've given out, but here we go. The final winner of the Friday giveaway, except for the one in MC that ends in 5 minutes, is going to, you ready? You ready? You guys ready? Hold on. You guys ready for this? It's Derek P84! Woo! Let's go! Derek P84, our final winner. Woo! There he is. Now let's see if they are keen enough to claim it. Okay, and what would you like, sir? What can I get for you? What would you like? Any flavor of ice cream. Tradeify Select. Hold on, I'm guessing this is on Instagram because that account doesn't exist on X. Hold on. Don't let go of hope yet. Oh, they do follow me. Congratulations to you, Derek. Tradeify Select coming your way, my friend. Are you going to go for daily payouts on this bad dog, or are you doing every 3 days? What are you going with? Daily payouts? Is that your kind of flavor of ice cream here? Daily payouts? It's in your inbox. Wow, you've won 3 giveaways before. Give it up for Derek. Daily payouts, I love it. Smart man right there. Well, congratulations to all of our winners. Look at the market doing fuck all. Doing the WD pattern right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you so much for tuning in today on YouTube. Thanks for tuning in for the giveaways. I'm going to do the thing where I gamble because I'm done trading. We had a very fruitful day in trading besides the evaluation accounts that we torched. Let's see. Quick little check on this. TPT up 20K. Tradeify moved to live. Alpha funded 0. We hit a daily loss limit that I didn't even know existed. And then in Funded Next, we got cracked open, bent over, and skied it on. Hold on, let's see. These aren't blown yet. They have $28 left in each one. Let's see. And go. Go, do it. Oh, and now they're blown. Okay. And then in Lucid, we made, what is that? $7,500 in Lucid, which we will be withdrawing on Monday. So overall, a fruitful day of trading. I'm very proud of ourselves. In the funded accounts, the ones that matter, that's where we made all of our money. $7,500 plus $20,000. That's $27,500. Ooh, baby, that feels good. Boy, howdy do I love it. What a great way to go into my weekend. Yes, indeed. All right, YouTubers. I will maybe be doing a Sunday Globex stream. It's Super Bowl Sunday, so I'm leaning towards no, but I will be back for Monday, 8 o'clock in the morning. YouTubers, I want you to have a fantastic weekend. If you are trading right now, be careful. Go into the weekend with good feels like I have right now, and you do that by going into the weekend green or slightly red. Don't go blowing accounts. It's not worth your time, okay? I'll see you YouTubers back on maybe Sunday, but likely Monday. Have a good weekend. Take care. Bye-bye. See you.